yeah, we're about 12 hours, just over, nearly 13 hours into our trip. We drove from Brighton last night at 12 o'clock and we drove up to Dover, and then from there got the ferry over to Calais. And we've been through just about every weather condition you can imagine. We had heavy snow earlier, then we went from heavy snow into torrential rain, so the car was absolutely spotless. I cleaned it yesterday and had a nice shimmer on the matte finish, and now it's not quite so lovely anymore. I'm not sure if it'll come out in this, but yeah, it's pretty bad, to be honest with you. It's on the rear, you might be able to see it's pretty hectic how dirty it is. But the car's been flawless. It's actually great to drive. Even long distances, I don't find the bucket seats uncomfortable at all. I really enjoy them. And otherwise, you know, I've driven this car quite a few times. Both of us have on road trips in Europe, and it's just been amazing. Performed perfectly. We've never had any issues. It's actually, for a small car, really good at motorway cruising, especially on the French toll roads where you've got an awesome road surface. That helps a hell of a lot. So yeah, we've had the sat-nav on and just kind of autopilot, but we're really looking forward to the rest of the journey, and hopefully you guys will come along and see some more with us as well. And we're going to be up in Andorra in the mountains and doing some cool stuff, hopefully get some really good shots. Really looking forward to it, and plenty more driving on the way, so we'll see how it goes, and we'll catch up with you soon.
Welcome to Andorra.
Welcome to Andorra. Welcome to our AirBNB, which we arrived at yesterday.
Yeah, around 7, I think, 6:30, 7 o'clock we arrived here. The drive itself was absolutely gorgeous. It was all just through mountain passes, stopped, took a few pictures. It was absolutely breathtaking. Something else that's also absolutely breathtaking is this view that we have.
Whoa.
It's insanely good.
Yeah. That's the view from the lounge cum kitchen. It's pretty special. Obviously you can see it's quite windy out there today. And check the snow blowing off the top of that mountain over there. That's crazy, right? Look at that. Wow. It's just crazy. So this is a little place. It's a little 1-bedroom apartment. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
There's a bedroom and a bathroom downstairs, and a little outside area that you can probably kind of see from over here.
Yeah,
I guess you can kind of see it.
Nice little table and chairs that are covered in snow.
Yeah, it's really an absolutely gorgeous place. The location and the view is just something else. Like, it's incredible. I mean, to live in a place where that was your view on a daily basis, you just want to sit here and look out at it.
You'd never leave.
Yeah.
All you'd ever want to do is just sit and eat your breakfast at the table and read a book and edit videos and just go out and walk in the mountains. It's stunning, really. So
we're going to head out and just drive around and see what there is to see and kind of do a bit of adventuring for today, our first actual day in Andorra. We had quite a lot of snow last night, but where we are, a lot of it's faded away. So I think higher up there'll be more, so we might try and just drive up into the mountains a little bit, see what it looks like, see if we can find any cool little roads. The wind here is too hectic to get a drone up at the moment, so maybe if we can find somewhere a bit more sheltered as well, that'd be cool. And just take it from there, try and relax, but try and have fun as well. See if we can find some cool stuff to see, and we'll try and get some video and some shots for you guys, and put something together that's hopefully enjoyable to watch, which would be nice. So yeah, to the car. Woo!
So we decided to take a little stop to attach the GoPro to the outside of the car, because we've been driving along these absolutely gorgeous mountain passes, and really think that some of the footage would be amazing to show you guys. And we just pulled up at this kind of little lay-by bit here, and you can see Benny's in the background, but the views are insane. Everything is just absolutely beautiful, completely untouched. The air is so clean, there's no humidity. It's super cold, but it doesn't feel like England cold. It's not the cold that gets into your bones. Hey! Yeah, it's just gorgeous. And show you some of the views over here. We've just been standing, taking everything in for a moment, and the drop is sheer. It's vertigo-inducing, immediate death drop, but check that out. Oh my god. No, that's some serious views. That's some serious views on views on views. It's a really fun drop right there, but...
Phil.
You can't even see that this is carbon fibre anymore.
Phil, the rear end is so dirty.
So grubby. I wonder what it looks like under the GB sticker.
Clean, probably.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna get the GoPro attached, do some more mountain roads, then go and spray Fonzie off, get them nice and clean, so we can get them dirty again.
So windy. We're up on top of Andorra mountain. It's 2,000 meters, so pretty high up, and yeah, it's crazy. The wind is well, I'm not sure. I guess you can hear us. This mic works pretty well in the wind, but the views are something else. It's just crazy. Look how beautiful it is. Car is looking suitably coated. Ice and dirt. So beautiful, right?
Oh, it's stunning.
It's just absolutely gorgeous. I dare to take my hood off. Whoa, my hair. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's pretty intense though. I reckon with wind chill, the temperature's going to be pretty low. It's the wind's trying to blow the camera out of my hand.
Yeah. It's super windy.
Nuts.
This is Naturelandia, apparently. It's closed.
Yeah, Naturelandia is closed, unfortunately. But, wow. These views. Views on views on views, eh, Max?
Yeah.
How deep is it?
It's pretty deep.
It's pretty deserted up here.
Look how deep the snow is.
And the snow drifts are pretty hectic. It's pretty awesome. Try jumping in there, Max.
Right.
There. Pretty good. Oh no. Yeah, Naturelandia looks pretty closed. It's definitely more of a summertime destination. Oh, it's icy over here. There's a car driving